Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In last session, we learned how to prepare a ledger account, then how to close a ledger account and derive opening and closing balance in the ledger account. Okay, so in this session, we will be learning how to make a trial balance using the ledger account. Okay, so what is a trial balance? Let us first understand. Trial balance will show you the position of each and every ledger account on a particular day. So what do you mean by position? Position means trial balance will tell you the balance of each and every ledger account as on a particular date. Okay, so difference between the ledger account and trial balances, the ledger account is prepared for a particular period. Now if you see this SBI bank account which we have prepared here, it is prepared for a particular period, that is for the month of November, but trial balance will be preparing as of one day, that is 30/11/2016. Okay, so if we want to prepare a trial balance say as on 12/5/2016, then again the position of all the ledger accounts will change. Okay, if we want to prepare a trial balance on say 2nd December, that is 2 days after this 30/11/2016, again the position will change. So practically we can prepare trial balance every day for all 365 days in the year. Okay, so let's see how does the trial balance format look like. So this is a trial balance format. See, as said earlier, in the books of your company name or your whatever business name, then trial balance as on 30/11/2016, or you can also say trial balance as on 1/12/2016, that is at the beginning of the day 1/12/2016. Okay, because at the end of the day as on 1/12/2016, again there will be some entries and position of trial balance will change. Okay, now this is a vertical format of trial balance. You have particular debit amount and credit amount. So let's prepare trial balance one by one. Okay, first is SBI bank account. Now you have to concentrate on this balance. Okay, first let's put it as SBI bank account. Will in trial balance we'll put it SBI bank account. Okay, now what is a balance? See, balance is 752500. Always remember you have to take a opening balance, that is whatever two balance brought forward on 30/11/2000. So what does it show? It is two balance brought forward is 752500. It is on the debit side. So the balance in the SBI bank account is a debit balance. So we have to write it on the debit side. 752500. Okay, next account we'll see now. Next account is cash in hand account. Okay, so you need not write account here. Okay, you can just write cash in hand. And what is a balance? Balance brought forward is 1,10,000 on the debit side. So cash in hand is showing debit balance. So on debit side you'll write 1,10,000. Okay, next ledger account is A1's capital account. Okay, what is the amount here? What is the balance? Balance is 5 lakh rupees. Now balance is on credit side, balance brought forward. So balance brought forward is on credit side, means you will write it on the credit side. It's a credit balance. Always remember to take balance on the debit or credit side depending on whatever is your balance brought forward. Okay, then next, deposit with Rakesh. Deposit with Rakesh. What is the balance? balance is brought forward on the debit side 50,000, so it's a debit balance. Okay, next, grinding machine account. Again, balance brought forward is on debit side 1,20,000, so it's a debit balance. So we'll write need not write account here. Okay, you want you can write, otherwise need not write account. What is the balance? 1,20,000 on the debit side. Next, GW Private Limited account. Now see, balance brought forward is on credit side 60,000, so I'll write it here. $60,000 on the credit side. Okay, then purchase of goods account, balance brought forward on the debit side 18,000. Balance brought forward on the debit side 18,000. It's okay. Then next, purchase of packing material, balance brought forward on the debit side 1,000. Put it here only. Debit balance of 1,000. Then next, ABC Private Limited. See, if you see the ABC Private Limited account, there is no balance carried forward and brought forward, so we need not put this in the trial balance. Okay, next, sale of goods account. Sale of goods account, there is a credit balance of 9,500, so I'll put it here. Credit balance of 9,500. Okay, now next is Shobhna Traders account. Shobhna Traders, as you can see, there is no debit or credit balance which is brought forward, carried forward, so we need not include it in the trial balance. Then next is loan from Vijaya Bank. Your credit balance of 5 lakhs, right? Balance brought forward, so we'll go to this. Okay, you have a credit balance of 5 lakh. Next is what? Salary account. Salary account, you have debit balance of 10,000, right? So we'll put it as salary. Debit balance of 10,000. Okay, next you have rent account. Rent account, you have debit balance brought forward of 7,000, so we'll put it as rent, debit balance of 7,000. Okay, next you have maintenance charges and balance brought forward, debit balance of 1,000. Debit balance of 1,000. Okay, that's it. So all accounts we have considered now. Okay, now what we will do is, this is very important, we have to take a total of debit side and total of credit side. Now both these totals should match. Okay, now let's see how much is the total of a debit side and credit side. Okay, let's take a total now. So let's take a total. Total is what? How much? This is 0, 0. Then you have 500. Then you have 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 11, 18, 19, 19. So carry forward 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 16, 16. So carry forward is 1. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So total comes to 10, 69, 500. Now let's see what is the total of a credit side. You have 5 lakh plus 5 lakh, that is 10 lakh, 10 lakh 6 plus 60,000, 10 lakh 60,000, and 10 lakh 60,000, 9,500. So same is the total of the credit side. So see, this is very important. So balance, in trial balance, your total of debit side should match to your total of credit side. When this matches, you can be assured that all your postings, all your journal entries are correct. Okay, so why does this happen? See, it's a simple rule of double entry. So see, whenever we pass a journal entry, whatever amount we debit, okay, the same amount is also credited. So one entry will have two effects. One is debit effect, one is credit effect. Correct? So your total of debit and credit in trial balance should always match. Okay, so this is very important. And this is how we have prepared a trial balance. There is one more format of trial balance. I'll just show you that also. Okay, it's just a format. The trial balance is prepared in the same way, but I'll show you the format. Okay, you can have a look at this trial balance. So this is the horizontal form of trial balance which I have prepared. So it's a same trial balance. You can see now this format is similar to ledger account. On the left hand side you have all debit entries, and on the right hand side you have all credit entries. Entries in the sense the credit balances. You have it on the right hand side, debit balances on the left hand side, and the total is put on the both sides. 10 lakh 69 500, 10 lakh 69 500. Just have a look at it. Okay, this is a horizontal form. And in next session we will be learning some more complicated journal entries. Okay, like outstanding expenses entry, prepaid expenses, provisions, and so on. Okay, thank you.